replace the fan and PSU modules of a 93180 YC switches. So before starting the process, so let's have a brief look about the device. So now as you see, we have two dual power supplies on the device and four fan modules, out of which one is going to be the redundancy power module. Similarly, we have one redundancy fan module in the device. So now let's start the process. So now I am going to set the PS1, and now the device is running with the source 2. So now I am replacing the PS1 with a new power module. Yes, and I am making the PS1 up. Yes, now the PS1 has got started. So now let's start the fans replacement. First with fan 1. Started. Fan 1 is replaced. Similarly, I'll go with till 4. Second one to replace. Third one. And the fourth one. Now the remaining is only the PS2. Now I am setting the PS2 too. Yes, this is replaced. Now we are going to replace it. Now I am inserting the new power module and I am making it up. Yes, we have replaced the process. We have completed the process, and we have replaced the devices, and you can see all the status of the fans as well as the PSUs is in normal.